Okay, we have a ship that traveled 55 kilometers on a bearing of 27 degrees. And then it travels on a bearing of 117 degrees for 140 kilometers. We want to find the distance from the starting point to the ending point. And there's a T in there. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is draw the picture. So when we're talking about bearing, we always assume we're starting from north. So this first one, here's my north line. I'm going 27 degrees this way. This is 27. Okay, and so from point A to point B here, I've went 55 kilometers. I should have really given myself more. Now, still going the north-south line here, but now I'm going 117, so that's going to be past the 90 degrees all the way down to here, because this whole thing is 117. And so now I'm going this way to point C. And then this was 140 kilometers. And I want to know this distance right here. Well, a couple of things to point out. First of all, here's our 90-degree line. I'm going to draw this a little bit. There's 27, right? 27 degrees. And then I'm changing here to this. I've still got a north-south line here. To 117. There is a 90-degree difference here. This, even though it's badly drawn, is a 90-degree angle. That's important to realize because then we have two sides. This is Pythagorean's theorem. 55 squared plus 140 squared equals x squared. So as you set this up, it's important that you get the bearing right. In this case, we're always starting from north, and north is 0, and we're measuring in a clockwise fashion. So 27 is just a little bit off, where 117 is going past east, and it's heading southeast now as it's going around from north. So it's important that we get the picture drawn, because then things like the fact that, oh, we have a right angle becomes clear. Then to solve this, we're just going to get out our calculators. So I need to add up this side, so 55 squared plus 140 squared equals, and then I want to take the square root of this, and our answer is 150 kilometers. Now I'm going to round to the nearest whole integer. Remember, we always round the least significant. All these are rounded to the nearest degree or the nearest kilometer, so we're going to round this to the nearest kilometer as well. So it's going to be 150 kilometers is the distance from my starting point over here at A to my ending point here at C.